So I wanted to do this video on the difference between desired subliminals and healing subliminals. If you have, a crooked nose and it's hard to breathe, then you want to listen to the, manifest your desired nose subliminal. If you have, an ankle that's still sore from, maybe, I don't know, whatever, where you can't walk straight, or your ankle's a little, has a bone that's a little misaligned, then you want to listen to the manifest your desired ankle subliminal. Now, if you have a disease in your nose, or, I don't know, a rash on your ankle, then you want to listen to the heal your ankle and heal your nose subliminal, if that makes sense, right? Now, so one is more for healing, and one's just more for the structure, or the shapes, or the realigning, whatever per se, right? So I mean, you wouldn't go to the doctor, to really, for it's more so, would you go to the doctor, or would you go to the plastic surgeon, almost, kind of, right? But not in a bad way, right? Some of us, like I said, have a crooked nose where you can't really breathe, or maybe you have an ear that, I don't know, maybe your cat scratched and you want it to heal faster, or maybe your eyebrow, maybe your eyebrows are, just one of them is permanently, uneven or something, and I don't know, maybe you have eyebrows or eyelashes that are, making it to where you can't see good, right? You can't drive straight, So now that's the difference between desired and healing subliminals, where we can really maximize the amount of lines we're using and really customize, right? That's the whole point of this journey to 1,000 subliminals, is to provide this customization, these little details, right? And that's the whole point too of a desire subliminal, right? I already have a grow bigger glute subliminal, glute mass, right? I already have that. I already have a, overall muscle mass subliminal. But the point of the 1,000 subliminals is to really narrow it down and customize it to where you can actually visualize with your imagination the whatever it may be, right? The nose that's now straight, or whatever your situation is, right? It allows you to really get more precise and more detailed with the affirmations that you're listening to, because we don't want to throw in extra affirmations that you don't need. We want to maximize your time, because your time is valuable, right? So therefore, instead of listening to the overall, muscle mass subliminal, maybe if you're not a bodybuilder or into weightlifting, right, then you just manifest your desired calf subliminals, right? Maybe you have a calf that's just, funky, where it hurts to walk, or whatever it may be you want to manifest, or whatever you want to desire. You need to visualize it in your imagination. If you don't want to do that, you can draw it out on a piece of paper. You can have your friend, that's a good artist, draw it for you. Pay some guy on Fiverr $5 to sketch out whatever you're trying to manifest, whatever desire subliminal you're going to be listening to, and actually look at it while you listen to the subliminal, or before and after, for, I would say, a good 30 seconds, even a minute, before, and then 30 seconds after. If you can hold the image in your head, with the emotion of gratitude, or the vibration of gratitude, even better for you, right? Now, this is the difference between desire and healing, and also how to use a desire subliminal. All the best to you.